And there's no health regen, so I'm down a heart forever. Hello, and welcome to mrcoolcatgaming. And if you're watching on the on our collaboration channel, mrcoolcatgaming X Riot the Hood. Today I'm in with Riot in the Hood, doing a collaboration video.
I thought we were putting this on the co-op channel.
We are. Just I'm planning on doing my side on my main channel too.
Oh, okay. I'm
But
just gonna do my side
this
on the
is
co-op.
okay. This is normal Minecraft, but there is no health regen at all.
Oh, I have to say something though. I actually did make a video that talks about our new channel, and also in the description it has the whole channel thing.
That's
so
good.
that'll be cool when they want to come.
Yeah, I'm gonna put links in the description of everyone too.
I mean, I won't do everyone. I'm only gonna do the one that's the video.
We need 2 more sheep.
Okay, I got. If you get 16, you get 1 stack of wood. 16 oak logs is 1 stack of wood.
Yeah.
So we want to get 16 if we want to stack. It's really good for a house. Should we make a good designed house?
I'm wanting to put the design in the house in the mesa there.
Because if we can make a good looking house, the corners should be logs.
I'm wanting to build the house out of the nether wood.
Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be a good idea.
I love the nether wood together. Sword. Pickaxe.
This is super hard. We don't have to keep inventory. And we can't regenerate.
At least we're not in hardcore.
It's basically hardcore, but you can still. No. Why are you mining down already?
To get some stone for stone tools.
Okay, I'm getting a stack of planks. Okay, I got the stack of planks.
Good. Again, if you can, look for sheep.
I'm gonna mine my way out.
Okay, perfect. We need a lot of stone for multiple things.
I'm going to guess that you have already. Never mind, I guess. I don't see the thing.
The what?
The crafting table.
Oh, I have it in my inventory.
Oh. Okay. So I'll need it. I have 64 pieces of wood.
I picked my crafting tables back up unless I...
Thank you. Sorry. Very sorry.
Shovel. Sure, a hoe. Pickaxe. Shovel. Hoe. Blocks.
A sword and a pickaxe. Which will be useful.
Pickaxe. No. Sword first. Axe is good. I need more, Oh, no. Do not stop the recording. I need more stone. No, almost.
Oh, that's good.
Need.
Do you have a stone pickaxe?
I do. Why?
No, I was just asking because I have 6 pieces of stone.
I'm trying to get more stone so I can have some furnaces and...
Oh, hello! Hi! Wait, I forgot about emotes. Oh, do you have the fake death?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
It's not on my, green, though. It's for, using a Totem of Undying achievement.
Yeah, I got
it. Yeah. Where's the...
I'm dead.
Faceplant? Nope. Where's fake that?
And now I'm alive. Okay, let's go. Oh god. Don't lag on me, game. Okay, I'm gonna start getting down.
Also, because of your accidental second hit.
Ow, why'd you hit me?
Because of your accidental second hit. I'm going to take a look for, sheep.
Wait, I should actually... I'm gonna make my own crafting table. Just because.
Okay.
Just for easiness.
We need food, too.
Let me make...
Wait, you left... What happened?
Oh, my phone died.
Oh.
Well, tell her, like, yes, I'm not gonna...
His, Riot in the Hood's, version of this episode's gonna be short. So...
Or it's not gonna be a thing.
Or might not even exist. But, you can still, if you're watching this, I'd still have this on the collaboration channel.
Wait, can we recall so you can share me your screen?
It would still hurt the, recording.
It would?
Yeah.
Did you try it?
I tried it with, any other call.
Wait, let's at least try with Messenger though, just in case.
And maybe next, episode.
Okay. I cannot see though, so I might as well just get off the call since I... Well, no, I'll still be here.
You can be heard still.
Yeah.
I mean, why is there no sheep?
I wish I could just watch your screen without the whole camera thing.
No, I need to... Why... Sheep! More food. Yeah, a stone sword's enough to one-shot a sheep. Thought so. Do what?
Wait, nothing happened on your screen?
That screen's blacked out.
Do you hear this?
Yes.
I can watch Anthony out while I'm waiting. He's probably not having in the background though.
I do not hear the, that, but,
Sound?
yeah. Also, they probably heard when you said that, the name. And it's
Also,
getting nighttime.
I have to say one more thing. Shout out to JTDM. He's a good YouTuber. Oh wait! The Minecraft Earth skin! In this video, he's using the same skin that you have.
Oh, I forgot to turn mine back to it. At this moment, I think I'm an Enderman. Also,
Yeah, for an Enderman.
That's a problem.
See, the 20 ways to get oops in Minecraft.
Uh-oh. Ouch. We have a problem. I only have 2 pieces of wool, and it's nighttime. I need blocks. Do not use wool.
I get to watch one of the best YouTubers ever. While being with them.
Skeleton. Creeper. Spider.
Oh no creepers.
And no health regen, especially. I see light over here. Ooh. I didn't... So... Coal. Our first coal. Ow! Now that's a problem.
Oh, I see how we will get loose in this one.
That's a big problem. A creeper came up behind me. He's gonna let in. A leather armor skeleton already? It hasn't even been one night. Yes, I hope this is it. Uh-oh. Ow. Half a heart. We were around the river. Is that a pillager outpost? An Enderman? Really?
Oh, if you're on computer and you read it and you hold M, you can,
Unmute.
for how long you're holding M.
I do not. This is bad. A chainmail zombie, really? We're in normal difficulty. How is there all these enchanted mobs already? Then we're gonna die to starvation. Ooh, wood. I see wood. I've lost my ability to sprint. Ah! Now that startled me, but that's a big problem. How? And I died to fall. We need the daytime. A husk. Where's that little hole I made? Can you hear me, Riot? Yeah. Okay. A crafting table. Well, I've lost all our stuff. All the stuff. And, I'm currently hiding in a hole for daytime. 15 minutes. Okay. If something's coming, I can put this here. Problem is, husks. Do husks burn in daylight? Husks. No! Husks do not burn in daylight. Food. Really? It's becoming day. Wait. Again? Creepers don't, die either. 2 hearts. Well, dirt.
Well, I think my phone might be charging soon.
Yeah. I died again.
That's not good.
But where's the sheep? These husks might be a problem. One gray wool. And I fell into our hole. Need some cornflowers. For birchwood. Stick, sword, and pick. I need I need to avoid sprinting as well.
I'm just gonna be waiting for a bit more.
It's currently I'm looking for sheep. If I had one more wool, I could have avoided the entire thing.
Remember to get sticks.
Yeah, but my first goal was 3. Pillager outpost. It could be risky, but they often have wool.
Talking text thing with Messenger, I was like, can it saying. Okay.
It could be risky, but there's a sheep right here. Still not enough. Chicken. Currently, there is, I knew it. They do have these little, but they're already spawned. Need a bed. There, respawn point set. Why are the pillagers not after me? Whatever. I'm not mad. Right? Now back to our base. I've got more than 6 wool. 7 wool. And counting. We should.
I'm gonna watch the video since it's taking a long time.
I'm probably gonna start the house in our little area where we got stone, if I can find my way back. Mountain. Savannah. That's something we don't have on our main world. There's our mesa. All these dead bushes. Our crafting table.
Sorry, AJ, I gotta go for a second.
Okay. And ooh, stick. Man, why wasn't there so many sheep the first? Literally. And some wool above the respawn point set. Need a few chests. And our temporary base is started. Maybe next episode, me and Ryat will get the the true house, a temporary house started in the mesa. See, furnace, stone sword, stone pick, shovel, this. And this, like 3 more for an axe, right? Yep. So, see. But, we're gonna leave it here. And join in next time, and this will be on both my channels, our channels, mrcoolcatgaming, and my collaboration channel. Links to the other channel in the description. So, bye.